certainly are some challenging times right now where we have to make virtual teams work effectively together. So if you're asking the question, how do I get my team to communicate effectively with all the recent changes, you are not alone. Most teams are struggling with finding new techniques. Now I would offer, while the setting has changed, the work remains the same. So finding communication techniques that work for you in the office or in your old workplace that also work in the new virtual workplace. There's some great communication tools out there leveraging technology like Zoom and Slack, for example, and chat communications. But could healthy teams regularly communicate, regardless of the form of communication you use? That could be a daily happy hour of sorts, or a roundup, or a huddle. They also really effectively ask each other questions. High-performing teams and leaders know that they themselves don't have to have the answers. They ask for feedback. Hey, I'm working on this deliverable for a client or for a project. What do you think? How could I make this better? What could I do more of? What could I do less of? That kind of brainstorm really helps that trust-based communication really build. And then you listen. One of the most effective communication techniques is simply listening with curiosity. Not for what you're going to say next, because that's what most people are doing. They wait till about second two and then pounce on and share their own response. They listen with empathy. They listen to learn. They park what's going on up here and listen to the person across from them. And in this environment, it might be on the video screen, or it might be on that chat or text message, whatever that looks like for you. They also promote self-discovery. So good communicators, those that build trust with their teams, effectively help people solve their own problems versus spoon feed them that advice, which is so tempting to do as humans. We love to solve everyone else's problems, but maybe not our own. What's going on with that? So think about how you could leverage some of these tools. I'll dive much deeper in my new crash course program that's meant for virtual teams and team building and effective techniques on trust, communication, and inclusion. Please join me. You can register at nextpivotpoint.com.